This YouTube channel is making over $13,000 a month between ad revenue, YouTube monetization, and sponsorships. The channel posts simple short videos about animal facts, and these videos often garner millions of views. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to make an automated channel just like this one. First, let's pop over to ChatGPT and see what we can do. We're going to paste this prompt in, which is going to give us a list of animals to make videos on. These are some pretty good choices, and I'm going to go with the sloth, mainly for the reasons I think finding stock footage is going to be really easy. Now that we've chosen our animal, we paste in our second prompt, and this is what we get. Now we have our script, and we're going to head over to play.ht to get an AI-generated voiceover. As you can see, there are many options, but I'll pick the default, Larry. I'm going to download the voiceover and head over to canva.com. As you can see, we have a free account, and we're going to search YouTube Shorts template and click the blank project. Now for the important part, finding footage. There are a few websites you can use to get footage, but the best website, in my opinion, is pexels.com. Now we're going to search for some sloth footage. Pexels offers both images and videos, so we're going to download a bunch of these. Once uploaded to Canva, we need to insert all the images and videos and fit them into the canvas provided to us, just like this. Now that our video is almost done, we're about 80% of the way there. We want to add copyright-free background music to make the video a little bit more entertaining and engaging, and it's going to help to add some ambiance to the video. Now we've made it to pixabay.com, and we're going to search ambient and set the search filter to music. And here we go, we have a bunch of tracks. I'm going to go ahead and click on the first suggestion. To get these, I'm going to click on download and upload this as an audio file into Canva. There's our music. We're going to just drag this in and we should have our completed video. So let's export it as an MP4 video file and head over to CapCut. Once again, CapCut is a free video editor, but you can use any other application you like Premiere Pro or DaVinci. Once we've uploaded our video onto CapCut, we need to click on captions and then auto captions. And within a minute, we should have a full set of captions. Now before we finish up, we're going to adjust the position of the captions, change the color, and change the font. Let's go ahead and export, change the resolution to 1080p, and we're good to go. Okay, now let's see the final product.
The sloth is a remarkable creature that defies the typical pace of the animal kingdom. Imagine an animal that spends most of its life hanging upside down in trees, moving so slowly that algae can grow on its fur. These intriguing mammals have an incredibly low metabolic rate, which allows them to survive on a diet of leaves. Sloths also have a symbiotic relationship with the algae that grow on their fur, providing them with additional camouflage and protection. Their unhurried lifestyle and unique adaptations make them a captivating subject for nature enthusiasts and researchers alike.
If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button and like the video and share it so that way we keep making videos. Don't just close this and move on. If you really like this and you want to take action on this, start taking action today, right now. Thank you for watching and see you next time.